Phrase skill. How well do you know English idioms? Your challenge. Look at these pictures and identify 3 idioms on the theme of animals. We have 15 seconds for each idiom. Are you ready? Phrase 1. Bird. I. View. Bird. I. View. Bird. I. View. Question for you. The answer is a bird's eye view, to be able to see clearly from high place. Phrase 2. Straight. Horse. Mouth. Straight. Horse. Mouth. Question for you, and the answer is straight from the horse mouth. Hear information directly from the person responsible for it. Phrase 3. To let. Cat. Bag. To let. Cat. Bag. To let. Cat. Bag. Question for you. The answer is to let the cat out of the bag. To let a secret be known, especially by mistake. So how did you do? Look for yourself. Thank you and goodbye.